how to fix GCash declined your payment. Now, the main reasons this is happening is either your account got locked for security reasons, or maybe you're using a card. That card got locked for, of course, security reasons again, or you don't have enough funds. So, for the funds option, of course, make sure you do have enough funds when you're purchasing an item, and if you do, it should automatically go through. Make sure you have enough funds to the actual very cent. Other than that, if you have a locked account, you can go ahead and check here in your cards if your card is locked. So just go ahead and press on the cards section. So in your Gcash card, just go ahead and choose the card that you have, and as you can see, it says locked over here. So once we press on that, we can press on the unlock card button, which will unlock our card. It's also gonna give us a authentication process. So just go ahead and put that in, and you should have a successfully unlocked card. Then other than those two reasons, which is a locked card or inefficient balance, there's also unverified account. So some payments require full verification. You could have a temporary downtime or unstable internet connection. So make sure your connection is good. And finally is the merchant problem. So either the shop or the site's Gcash gateway is temporarily offline. So you can always go ahead and try later if this is the issue. But hopefully one of these can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.